Children listen. Now exercise 10.8, which are practical sums, and see, just before we completed, that is the first sum. Now second question. Second question, page number 174. Find the population of a city at any time t. Find the population of a city at any time t. Here, let capital P be the population. So population equal to question mark. That's all. Okay. Population equal to question mark. Given that the rate of increase of population is, here rate of means differentiation with respect to t. That is a rate of means differentiation with respect to t. Given that the rate of increase of population is proportional to the population at that instant. Okay. So it is meant that, say, the rate of increase of population is proportional to the population at that instant, which means dp by dt is proportional to p. That's all, which is given information. Okay. Next, and that in a period of 40 years, listen carefully. Say, in a period of 40 years, the population increased from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. So in a period of 4 years, that is 40 years. In a period of 40 years, the population increased from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. Okay, listen the technique. So when t equal to 40 years, the population p is equal to 4 lakhs. So which means that is when t is equal to 40 years and the population p is equal to 4 lakhs. Okay, that is condition. Okay, that is one condition. When t equal to 40 years and the population p is equal to 4 lakhs. That means, see, when t equal to 40 years, that is in a period of 40 years, the population increased from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. Okay, the final is 4 lakhs, but the initial is 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs denotes when t is equal to 0. That is at initially. At initially the population is 3 lakhs. Okay, at initially time t equal to 0. So when t equal to 0, the population p is equal to 3 lakhs. That's all. Okay, which is first condition. Let it be, it is the first condition, it is the second condition. So to learn practical sums, we want to prepare the conditions. Now listen, this question is very simple. When t equal to 0, population is equal to 3 lakhs. When t equal to 40, population equal to 4 lakhs. And where population p is equal to question mark, that's all. Okay, preparation is completed. Now, see, question itself, theory portion. Let capital P be the population of a city at any time t. Listen, so listen. Let capital P be the population of a city at any time t. Okay, let capital P be the population of a city. Be the population of a city at any time t. Any time t. That's all. Okay, first line is completed. Okay. Now, see, as per the given information, dp by dt is proportional to p. That's all. Now listen carefully. dp by dt is proportional to p. That's all. And as usual, remove proportional and write equal and multiply a proportionality constant k. That is, dp by dt is equal to k into p. That's all. Okay, here after yourself. Yes, very good. Variable separable. Here dp, so p comes left side. And dt should goes to right side because of variable separable. Okay. Now listen, next step. That means p comes left side. Can you tell me that is? Very good. 1 by p into dp, which is equal to cross multiply. Yes, k into dt. Okay, k into dt. Now, say verify whether integration formula available or not. Yes, listen. Integral 1 by p dp. What is your answer? Yes, log p. Yes, formula available. Next, k is a constant. It comes outside the integral. Okay. Integral dt equal to? Yes, t. So, formulas available. Therefore, integrating on both sides. Integral 1 by p dp is equal to k into integral dt. Now, as per your answer, integral 1 by p dp is equal to log p. Okay. That is log modulus p. One can write modulus also. Okay. Log modulus p, which is equal to, or just a log p also correct. Okay. Which is equal to k into integral dt is equal to yes, t. Okay, plus integrating constant c. Okay, now any other idea? Yes, this logarithm goes to right, becomes base e to the right side answer. Okay, can you tell me your answer? Yes, very good. That is where say capital P is a population which is always positive. Therefore, modulus P is equal to P. Therefore, listen, P is equal to capital P is equal to e power kt plus c. That's all. Now the base belongs to both of the power. Split it. We get say capital P is equal to here e power c into e power kt for our convenience. That is e power c into e power kt. Now c is a constant, therefore e power c also a constant. So for our convenience, let e power c equal to capital C. That is population P is equal to c into e power kt. C into e power kt, which is the Racket solution equals number 1. Okay. Up to this, same working rule for all the practical sums. Now I want to use the conditions. Okay, I want to use the conditions. And before starting the question, let us write the conditions. This rough preparation we should write. Okay, that is, see, there is a place to write. When t equal to 0, capital P equal to 3 lakhs. Okay, 3 lakhs. Listen, when t is equal to 0, capital P is equal to 3 lakhs. So this box preparation is very important. And when t equal to 40, P is equal to 4 lakhs. When t is equal to 40, population is equal to 4 lakhs. So this box must. To prepare the practical sums, it is enough to prepare this box. Okay. Now let us use the first condition. Okay, that is when t equal to 0, population equal to P is equal to 3 lakhs. That's the idea. Now listen, here there is no place downwards, and in your class work, because I have no place downwards, so that is why I am writing right side. But you should write one by one. Don't write right side. Okay, one by one you want to write. Now take the first condition. When t equal to 0, capital P equal to 3 lakhs. Listen, when t is equal to 0, population P is equal to 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs, that's all. Now substitute these values in the first equation. 1 becomes, put t equal to 0, P equal to 3 lakhs in the first equation. Okay, first equation becomes, very good, where P is equal to 3 lakhs. Okay, P is equal to 3 lakhs. Okay, P is equal to 3 lakhs, which is equal to P equal to 3 lakhs equal to C into e power k into t, where t equal to 0. So t equal to 0, that you want to substitute C into e power k into 0. C into e power k into 0. That's all. Now simplification yourself. Anyone? Yes, very good. Here k into 0, 0. So e power 0 tends to? Yes, 1. E power 0 tends to 1. That means C into 1 equal to C. Therefore, C equal to 3 lakhs. That's all. Therefore, the constant C is equal to 3 lakhs. Okay. Now, substitute C equal to 3 lakhs in the first equation. See, there is a coefficient C. Here, instead of C, substitute 3 lakhs. We get, that is 1 becomes, again 1 becomes. 1 becomes capital P is equal to C, where C equal to 3 lakhs. C equal to 3 lakhs into e power kt. Into e power kt. That's all. Let it be which is equation number 2. Box it. Yes. Now, first condition we used. Now take the second condition. Second condition, when t equal to 40, P is equal to 4 lakhs. That is when, listen, second condition, when t is equal to 40, such that capital P is equal to 4 lakhs. Okay. Now substitute these values in second equation. That is 2 becomes. 2 becomes capital P. Capital P is equal to 4 lakhs. Okay, which is equal to 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs into e power kt, where t is equal to 40. Therefore, e power k into 40 equal to 40k for our convenience. So, into e power 40k. Okay, that's all. E power 40k. Now, any simplification? Yes, very good. here this 3 lakhs comes left side, becomes divided. Okay, while dividing, here 50, there also 50, so going to cancel. So for our knowledge, we can cancel directly. Why not? Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zeros. On the left side also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just cancel. That means remaining 3. 3 comes left side, becomes divided. That is 4 by 3. See, what is 4 by 3? Yes, e power 40k is equal to 4 by 3. That is, we can write it directly. Listen carefully. E power 40k is equal to 4 by 3. And for my convenience, e power 40k can be rewritten as e power k the whole power 40. Okay, for our convenience. So e power k whole power 40. Why? Because we are using that idea means in second equation, that is here population equal to question mark. So population equal to question mark means this is second equation, population equal to question mark, in which here e power k available, here e power k, here also e power k. So that is why I want to adjust e power k equal to something, because to substitute here. So that is why here e power k can be, that is e power 40k can be rewritten as e power k whole power 40 for our convenience. Okay, reverse it, also write e power k whole power 40. Listen carefully, e power k whole power 40. If you have doubt means power k power 40, 40 into k 40k, no problem. Okay, which is equal to e power k whole power 40 is equal to 4 by 3, because 3 comes left side. So which is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, now here e power k is available. So I need e power k only left side. So this power 40 goes to right. Okay, can you tell me any idea? Yes, the power goes to right, becomes reciprocal. That is e power k is equal to 4 by 3 the whole power. Here 40 goes to right, the power 40 goes to right side means becomes reciprocal, that is 1 by 40. That's all. So which is the sub result. Okay, and let us give one new name, suppose 3, which is equation number 3, which is a sub result. Now take your second equation. In second equation also we can rewrite e power kt is equal to e power k the whole power t. Okay, like that I want to write. Now 2 becomes, that's all. Okay, listen carefully, 2 becomes we get, okay, 2 becomes, listen carefully, 2 becomes, second equation can be rewritten as p is equal to 3 lakhs into e power kt is equal to e power k the whole power t for our convenience, that is e power k whole power t. Okay, now what is bracket? E power k. E power k value is known from third equation. So substitute. Okay, substitute this e power k value. Now listen, here I have no place, so that is why I am writing side, but you want to write one by one. Okay, now listen, capital P is equal to, listen carefully, capital P equal to 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs into e power k, where e power k value is 4 by 3 whole power 1 by 40. Okay, e power k is equal to 4 by 3 whole power 1 by 40, whole power 1 by 40, which is e power k value. Already moon bracket is available. So for my convenience, square bracket whole power t, that's all. Okay, this moon bracket becomes a square bracket where e power k value is, e power k is equal to 4 by 3 whole power 1 by 40, and this whole power t is available. Now listen, 1 by 40, power 1 by 40 and the power t. So power into power, 1 by 40 into t is equal to t by 40, that's all. So that is population p is equal to, okay, that is therefore the population p is equal to 3 lakhs into 4 by 3 whole power t by 40. Okay, 4 by 3 the whole power t by 40. So which is the required solution? Hence the answer, which is the required population of the city. Children listen. Now third question from exercise 10.8. The equation of electromotive force for an electric circuit containing resistance and self-inductance is capital E is equal to Ri plus L into di by dt. So equation is given directly, where E is the electromotive force is given to the circuit. R is the resistance and L the coefficient of induction. Find the current I at the time t when E equal to 0. Listen, see they asked, find the current I at the time t when E equal to 0. So, which means when E equal to 0, I equal to question mark. It is very simple. See, when E equal to 0, such that I is equal to question mark. That's preparation over. So that is, preparation is when E equal to 0 and the current I is equal to question mark. Okay? Now listen, as usual. Say, take your given equation. That is very important. Given equation. Take your given equation, and the given equation is of the form linear in I, because listen carefully, using pencil, differential of I, then again only one I. See, differential of I, there is only one I. Here differential of I, there is only one I. Reversely want to read. Differential of I, then again only one I, and there is no other I, and whose I power is 1, and remaining all functions of t. So remaining all, where E and R constant, E or L are all constant. Here I and t only variables. There are two variables, I and t. Here differential of I, again only one I, whose power is 1, which is free, and no other I. And also remaining all functions of t. Yes, with respect to dt means remaining all functions of t, where E or L are considered as constants. Okay, they are constants, that's all. Okay, now I want to take this equation, and while taking this equation, reverse it for our convenience, reverse it, because we want to make the standard form di by dt plus pi is equal to q. So that is why take this equation in reverse form, that is Ri, okay, for my convenience. And one can write like this also. Write L into di by dt as first term, Ri is second term, which is equal to E. Okay, rewrite the question first itself, no problem. That is, listen, L into, okay, listen, L into di by dt plus Ri is equal to E, that's all. The same equation I am writing. L into di by dt first term plus Ri second term, which is equal to E, that's all. Okay, now using pencil, differential of I, again only one I, and no other I, and where I power is 1. So this is linear in I, and it is of the form di by dt plus pi is equal to q, and where I want to make di by dt coefficient should be 1. So that is why this coefficient L we want to remove. Okay, any idea to remove? Yes, divided by L on both sides. Divided by L on both sides, that's all. Divided by L on both sides, we get, see, L by L cancel. Okay, what is remaining? Yes, di by dt plus, okay, here Ri by L. Yes, listen, Ri divided by L. Ri divided by L, which is equal to, yes, E by L. That's all. E by L. Ready? Now again listen. So already I told this is linear in I. It is of the form di by dt plus Ri, say pi is equal to q. This is linear in I. Listen carefully. Using pencil, differential of I, again only one I, whose power is 1, and which is free, and no other I variable, and remaining all functions of t, where R, L, E are constants. Okay. Now this is linear in I. This is linear. This is linear in I. It is of the form. Okay. It is of the form. It is of the form di by dt plus pi equal to q. That's all. It is of the form. Listen. It is of the form di by dt plus pi. Okay. P into I is equal to q. Okay. Here, listen carefully. Okay. Now here observe yourself. Here I coefficient p. Okay. Here I coefficient Yes, R by L. Therefore, P is equal to R by L. P is equal to R by L. Next. And here right hand side Q. Here right hand side, yes, E by L. So therefore Q is equal to E by L. Q is equal to E by L. Box it. So listen, it is before exercise model. Exercise 10.7 model. Okay, already we completed linear in Y, linear in X. And it is this practical sums comes under linear in I. Okay. Now, therefore, can you tell me the general solution, anyone? Yes, very good, very good. Here, differential of Y, Y means starting with Y. Differential of X, X means starting with X. Similar way, here differential of I, therefore, the general solution starting with I. Therefore, the general solution is Therefore, the general solution is I is equal to here differential of I. Therefore, general solution starting with I. Listen, I. So here also I. That is very important. Okay. Differential of I. Therefore, the general solution starting with I. Okay. I into e power integral p dt, because differentiation with respect to dt. Therefore, integration with respect to dt. Therefore, I into e power integral p dt. Okay, which is equal to integral q into, yes, the same e power integral p dt here I want to write. So into e power integral p dt into dt plus constancy. Now already you know that e power integral p dt is equal to integrating factor. Okay, and e power integral p dt which is equal to integrating factor. So this formula I want to rewrite I into, listen carefully, I into integrating factor which is equal to integral q into e power integral p dt equal to, yes, the same integrating factor into dt. So this dt plus constancy, let it be the first equation. Okay, up to this correct, up to this no mistake. Now we want to find the integrating factor. To find the integrating factor, first complete the power, that is integrating factor equal to e power integral p dt. First let us find this small integral p dt I want to find. Okay, now here there is no place downwards, so that is why I need the next page. Now listen carefully, and also here listen first part, second part. Don't write inside, you want to write one by one. Okay, now I need the next page, that is integral p dt is equal to, now integral p dt which is equal to, okay, integral capital P. What is P? Yes, already we taken P is equal to R by L. Okay, P is equal to R by L. P is equal to R by L into dt. Okay, into dt. Okay, here after yourself. Anyone? Yes, very good. Because here integration with respect to t, which means R by L is a constant. So R by L is a multiple constant, comes outside the integral. So listen, R by L into integral dt, which is equal to, again R by L as it is. Integral dt is equal to, yes, t. So that is integral dt is equal to t. That's all. Which is integral p dt. Box it. This answer is ready. Now I want to find integrating factor. First integral p dt ready. Now I want to find the integrating factor equal to. Okay, can you tell me what is integrating factor equal to? Yes, e power integral p dt. Therefore, integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dt, which is equal to, yes, here after yourself. Very good. See the base e fixed. What is integral p dt? Yes, which is equal to RT by L. So e power, listen, e power RT by L, e power RT by L, e power RT by L, which is integrating factor. Okay. Integrating factor is ready. Now, listen. Now, substitute integrating factor in the first equation. Yes, 1 becomes, now here after yourself, 1 becomes, listen, I into integrating factor. Yes, I into this, I into e power RT by L. Listen, I into e power RT by L. Okay. I into e power RT by L, which is equal to integral q into, which is equal to integral q, where q is equal to e by L, where q is equal to e by L into integrating factor. integrating factor equal to e power rt by L, e power rt by L, okay, into dt plus c. So into dt plus c, okay, up to this correct. Okay, now anyone? Yes, e by L is a multiple constant, comes outside the integral. Okay, now right. Again, I into e power rt by L, which is equal to e by L integral. Okay, e by L comes outside the integral. E by L into integral e power rt by L into dt plus c. Okay, next step. Yes, I want to integrate. Listen, here integration with respect to t. Here e power rt by L. Okay, now integration yourself. Yes, very good. E power anything, integration same, and goes to power t coefficient is r by L. So fully divided by r by L. E power anything, integration same, and goes to power divided by r by L. That is very important. Suppose here coefficient 1 means by 1. Coefficient 2 means by 2. Likewise, here coefficient r by L, therefore divided by r by L. T coefficient r by L, therefore divided by r by L. That is a technique. Okay, right again. That is same LHS. Listen. Now I into e power rt by L, e power rt by L, which is equal to e power rt by L equal to e by L into e power anything, integration same, that is e power rt by L, okay, e power rt by L fully divided by, here e power anything, integration same, and the t coefficient is r by L, so r by L comes a denominator, fully divided by r by L, that's all. Already e by L is available, plus constant c. Yes, integration completed. Again listen, e by L fixed, e power anything, integration same, and goes to power t coefficient divided by r by L, plus constant c. Now simplification yourself. Anyone? Yes, very good. Listen, here L divided by L. Otherwise, this r by L becomes reciprocal. R by L becomes reciprocal means L by r. Okay, for our knowledge, we can cancel directly. Okay, see here L cancel. What is remaining? Yes, E by r. So, which is equal to E by r. E by r into E power into E power rt by L plus constant c. The left hand side is I into E power rt by L. That's all. Solution is ready. Now listen, e power rt by L, e power rt by L present two places. So for our convenience, divided by e power rt by L on both sides. Listen, divided by e power rt by L on both sides we get. Okay, for our convenience. Now listen, e power rt by L divided by e power rt by L cancel. Okay, what is remaining? Yes, I. So I is equal to, okay, here e power rt by L divided by e power rt by L cancel. What is remaining? Yes, e by r remaining. Remaining is e by r. Okay, plus see, divided by e power rt by L means it is divided with all the three times. First it is left hand side by this cancel, we get I, and the first term divided by this, yes, it is cancel remaining, and the last term c divided by, we want to write, don't forget, c divided by e power rt by L. Okay, now for my convenience, this e power rt by L goes to numerator means the power change its sign. Here power positive, so power goes to, say this term goes to numerator means power change its sign. So this plus power goes to numerator becomes minus power. Now can you tell me your new equation? Yes, very good. That is I is equal to e by r, okay, e by r plus c into e power, already c available, c into e power minus rt by L. Okay, yes. Now it is a final answer, but we are asked to find, now come to the question, we are asked to find when e equal to 0, I equal to question mark. So that is interesting. Okay, see solution, there is a place to write this introduction. While beginning of this question, when e equal to 0, I equal to question mark. Solution, when e equal to 0, I is equal to question mark. That's box it. In answer sheet also you should write. Okay, solution. First step, when e equal to 0, I equal to question mark. So I want to use this condition. The condition is when e equal to 0, I equal to question mark. When e equal to 0 such that when e equal to 0, I is equal to question mark. That's it. Very interesting. Okay. When e equal to 0, I equal to, that is I equal to question mark. Okay, now substitute. By substitute mind itself. That is I equal to question mark. Therefore I fixed it. E equal to 0. Okay. E equal to 0. 0 by r equal to yes 0. So the first term vanishes. No need. Okay. Remains the second term only. Okay. What is your second term? See, that is e equal to 0 means e present one place only. Here there is no e value. So when e equal to 0, 0 by r equal to 0. Therefore I is equal to. Therefore I is equal to c into e power minus rt by l. I is equal to c into e power minus rt by l. So which is the required solution? Which is the required answer? Okay, which is the required solution? Which is the required answer? Okay, that is I equal to c into e power minus rt by l. Hence the answer. Okay, hence the answer. It is enough.